If you're new to Snapchat, you might be wondering how to use cameos and have fun with friends. Well, I'm here to save your day. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use cameos on Android devices. Without any further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Create Cameo. You have to create a cameo to use them on your inbox. To create, open Snapchat, go to Profile by tapping on the avatar icon on the top left corner, tap on Settings icon on the top right corner, go to Cameos, tap on Create Cameo Selfie. Your front camera will open up. After holding the camera at the right angle, tap on Create My Cameo button, then tap on Continue. After a couple of seconds, Snapchat will create Cameo using your selfie. Step 2. Open a chat box in Snapchat. Tap on the emoji icon right next to the text bar. Press emoji option right next to avatar section. Tap on them to send it to your friends. Cameos are fun to use and create a realistic vibe in emojis. In this way, you can create cameos and update them in the Cameo settings. Want more tutorial videos on Snapchat? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.